Sorry.
Okay, ma'am, is your name Kylie Wheeler?
Yes.
Okay. All right, looks like we have everybody connected. So we'll go on the record now. This is People versus Kylie Wheeler, Kalkaska file number 244975. The record should reflect Ms. Wheeler's present today by video from Kalkaska County Jail. If I could have counsel put your appearances on.
Your Honor, Ryan Ziegler on behalf of the people.
Thomas Seeger appearing as their arraignment attorney.
All right, thank you. Ms. Wheeler, well, first of all, Mr. Seeger, have you had a chance to talk to Ms. Wheeler today?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay.
And Your Honor, I would assign myself as her attorney as I previously was her attorney.
Okay. All right, so Ms. Wheeler, you're before the court today on for arraignment on a number of different probation violations. Mr. Seeger, did you have a chance to go through those violations with her and advise her of what they are?
I did, Your Honor, and she would waive further reading.
Okay. All right. And how does Ms. Wheeler want to plead today?
Not guilty, Your Honor. I would just ask that the matter be set for a hearing.
Okay, so the court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Ms. Wheeler, and we'll set this for a probation violation hearing. In terms of bond pending that hearing, Mr. Ziegler or Agent Barrett, either of you have any recommendations regarding bond?
Due to the reporting habits of Miss Wheeler, we'd recommend no bond at this point in time. So,
all right, is that based on failures to report?
yes, sorry, Your Honor. Yes, her failure to report for court dates and for her to her probation agent. So,
all right, and Agent Barrett, are you her supervising agent?
I am not. Miss Wagner is.
Okay, do you know, or did Ms. Wagner leave any notes as to when the actual last report date was?
Based on the information I have on the warrant request, Your Honor, it looks like she was supposed to have reported on April 30th, and then she failed to report in May, and then there was a show cause hearing set for June 3rd that she failed to report. So that's the only information I have directly in front of me, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, thank you. Mr. Seeger?
Your Honor, she was just hopeful that the court would set a bond in some amount wherein she may be able to post. Clearly, if she's failed to report as required, it would definitely be another error not to report if that's what she's supposed to do. In any event, she indicated that she would appear at any subsequent court proceedings as just asking for a bond that she may be able to post.
All right, given the nature of the violations here, which do allege 2 failures to report as directed for probation, I can take judicial notice of Ms. Wheeler's failure to appear at the show cause on the hearing on June 3rd. And here we're now in mid-August, and Ms. Wheeler, following June 3rd, did not make any attempts apparently to contact the probation agent. So the court does have concerns that Ms. Wheeler will voluntarily appear before the court at any subsequent court dates, including a hearing on probation violation. So I find that a money bond is appropriate in an amount that would be sufficient either to ensure her appearance, either because she's not able to post it or because it's such an amount that she will appear as opposed to losing it. So the court finds that a $5,000 cash or surety bond is sufficient given the underlying charges and her current status. So the court will set bond in $5,000 cash or surety. If Ms. Wheeler is not able to post that bond, then the court will set this for hearing within 14 days as required by statute and court rule. I'm assuming that you don't want to waive that 14-day period, Mr. Seeger, is that correct?
I do not wish to waive it, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court will set this within 14 days. Mr. Seeger, anything further we need to address for your side today?
No, sir.
Mr. Ziegler or Agent Barrett?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. That's all. hearing today, and court will notify all parties and Ms. Wheeler of the date and time of that hearing once I have that hearing date.